Hello students, welcome to the 8th session of curve surveying. In this session, we will solve the problems on the linear methods of establishing the curves which we have studied in the previous session. Okay, in linear methods, out of 5 we have studied 2. One is offsets from the long chord produced and one more is deflection distance method. Okay, so we'll take up a problem. Okay, given calculate the ordinates at 10-meter distances for a circular curve having a long chord of 80 meters and a worst sine of 4 meters. Okay, so given here is the distance of the long chord from left end to the right end, that is totally 80 meters. Okay, and a worst sine he has given, that is of 4 meters. Worst sine means a mid ordinate, that is o naught, the center of the curve o naught, the offset at that point he has given it as 4 meters. Okay, now I need to calculate the remaining offsets up to the starting point of the curve and up to the end of the curve. Out of total 80 meters, see here I have divided the long chord towards left 40 meters and towards right 40 meters, o10, o20, o30, o40, and towards right also same thing, right? So o naught is given 4 meters. I need to calculate the offsets produced from the long chord at every 10-meter distances. Okay, okay, so from this method, by ordinates from long chord, we have the worst sine equation, that is for o naught. Okay, is r minus square root of r square minus l by 2 the square. Okay, o naught value I have 4 and I know the capital L value, that is the length of the chord, total length of the chord we have 80 meters. Okay, by using that I have calculated the radius of the curve 202 meters. Okay, now to calculate the offset length, the remaining offset length at every 10 meters, I have ox is equal to square root of r square minus x square minus r minus o naught. So I have calculated r minus o naught in the previous line there, 202 minus 4, that is 198 meters. Okay, now the x value goes on changing, o10, o20, o30, like that. Okay, I will calculate the offset lengths and at the end I will join the end of the offsets to get the curve. Okay, o10, so 202 square minus x square, x becomes 10 here, minus r minus o naught is 198, so 3.75 meters. At 20 meters we have 3.01 meters, at 30 meters I have 1.76 meters, and at 40, that is at the starting of the curve and at the end of the curve, how much value shall I get? I should get it as 0. Okay, the offset shall be 0. From 0 the offset length goes on increasing and it will be maximum at the worst sine or at the mid ordinate of the curve, and it again goes on decreasing up to the point of tangency, that is at the end of the curve. You can check it here, o40 is 202 square minus 40 square minus 198. I will get it as 0 meters exactly. Okay, so this is the problem with respect to the first method, that is by ordinates from long chord. Next we have deflection method or offsets from the chords produced, we call. Okay, so we have a problem, two tangents intersect at chain edge 59 plus 60, that is the chain edge of the intersection point. See, you can check the figure here, that is pi I have written here, the chain edge of that line, they have that point they have given 59 plus 60, the deflection angle being 50 degree 30 minutes. Calculate the necessary data for setting out a curve of 15 chains radius of the curve is given in terms of the chain. Okay, to connect the two tangents, if it is intended to set out the curve by offsets from chords, this is the second method. Okay, offsets from chords we call it, or deflection distance method we call it. Okay, take peg intervals 100 links. Okay, length of the chain being equal to 20 meters, so one chain is of 20 meters and 20 meters is equal to 100 links they have given. Okay, now check the figure here, So he has given you the chainage of point of intersection and the deflection angle at that point 50 degree 30 minutes. So we will solve it. So one chain he has given it as 20 meters, that is 100 links. So one link value will be 0.2 meters. Okay, radius of the curve is 15 chains he has given, 15 into 20, I will convert it in terms of meters, that is 30 meters. Okay, next tangent length I will calculate, that is t. Tangent length is from point t1 to v, that is from point pc to point pi, or else point pi to point pt, or else t2 to v. Okay, those are the tangents. R tan delta by 2, we have the formula. R is 300, delta value he has given. So tangent length is 141.48 meters. Now length of the curve I will calculate, pi r delta by 180 degrees. I will get it as 264.42 meters. Okay, check it here. Length of the curve, length of the tangent t1 v, v t2 I have got it, and length of the curve, that is t1 e t2 I have got it. Okay, now I know the chainage of point of intersection. To know the chainage of point of curve, or to know the chainage of point of tangency, okay, I need to deduct or add the length of tangent to the chainage of point of intersection. Chainage of point of intersection, we have it as 59 plus 60, that is 59 chains plus 60 links, that is 1192 meters. Okay, that is the chainage at that point. Okay, now to get the chainage of point of curve, we have to deduct the tangent length from chainage of point of intersection. Okay, tangent length is 141.48 meters. If I deduct it 1050.52 meters, I will get it as chainage of point of curve. Now to get the chainage of point of tangent, that is the end point of the curve, to get this I have to add the tangent length to 1192 meters, correct? Here check it. Now to get the chainage of point of tangent, we have to add the length of the curve, or you can add the length of tangent to 1192 meters. Okay, now point of curve chainage is 1050.52. if I add the length of the curve, I will exactly reach the end point of the curve, 264.42. end point of the curve is 1314.94 meters. Okay, now I have the peg intervals, that is at 20 meters, correct? So therefore the length of the subchord small c, that is first subchord, is nearest chainage from point of curve which is multiple of 20, correct? So point of curve chainage is 1050.52 meters. The next interval on the curve will be multiple of 20, which is nearer to 1050.52, that is 1060 meters. So length of first subchord is 1060 minus 1050.52, 9.48 meters. Now after 1060, it will go on increasing by 20 meters at every interval, 1080, 1100, okay, 1120, 1140, up to 1314.94 meters, that is last point of the curve. Up to that point it will go on increasing by 20 meters. So length of last chord will be what? It will be the nearest multiple of 20, which is previous to 1300 meters. No, 1300 point, sorry, 1314.94 meters, that is 1300. Okay, so length of last subchord will be the chainage of last point of the curve minus chainage of previous point, which is multiple of 20, that is 1300 meters. So last subchord is 14.94 meters. So number of full chords which are 20 meters exactly from first chord to last chord, that is 1300 minus 1060 divided by 20, totally 12 chords we have. Okay, so total number of chord will be one chord which is from point of curve to the first point, plus 12 20 meters interval chords, plus last chord which is from 1300 to 1314.94 meters, right? Totally 14 chords we have. Okay, from those 14 chords now I will calculate the offsets drawn. Okay, after drawing the offsets I will join the end of the offsets to get the curve. Okay, from deflection distance method we have length of first offset O1 is small c square by 2r. Small c is length of first chord, that is 9.48 square by 2r. I have 0.15 meters. Next, length of second offset is capital C by 2r into small c plus capital C. Capital C is what? Intervals given 20 meters. Small c is length of the previous chord, that is 9.48 meters plus 20, 0.98 it will give. Now after the second chord we have the intervals at regular intervals, that is at 20 meters exactly. So offset length will be regular there, that is capital C square by 2r. 20 square by 2 into 300, that is 1.33 meters will be the offsets up to the chainage of 1300 meters. Okay, now the last offset will be small c dash square by 2r into capital C plus small c dash. The last offset for the last chord is c dash is the length of the last chord 14.94 meters divided by 2 into 300 into the bracket capital C is regular interval 20 plus small c dash the length of the last chord, that will give you 0.87 meters. So first offset I have 0.15 meters, next 0.98 meters. From there I have totally 10 chords which are of 1.33 meters, then I have last chord 0.87 meters. After the end I will join the ends of these offsets to get the curve. Okay, so this finishes the problem on deflection distance method. Okay, we have solved two kinds of problems. One is with respect to chords produced from the long chord, and one more is offsets from the long chord method. Okay, so revise this, draw the figures and practice. Okay, so if you have any doubts you can call me. Thank you.